Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I am going to show you what is in my makeup bag for the upcoming cruise. So the vacation this winter is, I don't remember the name of the cruise, but it's a Caribbean cruise, and our plans are to fly into Miami and spend the weekend in Miami. So we're leaving on the 20th and we're going to spend the weekend in Miami. So we're going to plan a few things in Miami that weekend. And then Monday, the cruise takes off. So we'll be on the cruise from Monday through Friday. And then we come home on Friday. I am going to treat this vacation like it's a beach vacation. I have never been on a cruise. It's the first time, just because I typically like to plan in detail and I like to eat at different restaurants. So I'm going to treat this cruise similar to the way I would treat an all-inclusive beach resort, which isn't like my top. It's not my favorite way to vacation, but you know, I don't mind it. When I do beach vacations, I don't pack a lot. I pack as little as possible. So this is the makeup bag that I'm taking. And I know it's large, but I'm taking one opposed to taking my typical 3. So let's get into this and you can see what I am taking on the cruise. I've never done anything like this in this room before, so I don't know if I'm going to have the room. We will figure it out. So I don't take a lot of palettes because when I go to a beach destination, I mainly wear highlighter, like mascara. I'll do my brows and then I'll wear a highlighter. But I do take a few palettes just in case I want to get like super dolled up for dinner or whatnot. So let's start getting into this. I pretty much pack, well, not every single highlighter that I own, but pretty close. So the palettes that I am bringing with me, I'm bringing the Huda Ruby Obsessions, and that's what that looks like. I took this palette with me to Paris and I absolutely fell in love with it. I am also going to take the Huda Obsessions in Topaz. I am taking glitter goals just in case. Let's see. I'm kind of just pulling out a bunch of stuff here. Hold on. My Ride or Die Lorac Unzipped Gold, and that's what that looks like. This is probably, out of all of these palettes that I'm actually taking, I will probably use, if I use palettes, I will probably use this one the most or Soft Glam the most. But I do like to have options, so I am kind of taking a few. I am taking the Norvina palette, which looks like that. I am taking the Modern Renaissance palette, which looks like that. And I am taking Soft Glam palette, which looks like that. And I am taking the Nude Dude palette, which looks like that. Those are the only palettes I'm taking this time around. So again, more than probably what I need, but not typically what I would take to like Vegas or Paris or any vacation that's not a beach vacation. So the highlighters that I am taking is I'm taking Mary Luminizer. She looks like that. I am taking Becca Vanilla Quartz. Oh, these are harder to open. Hold on. Let me figure it out. There we go. And this one hasn't even been used yet because it still has the little plastic piece, but there we go. I am taking Tarte Exposed. I am taking Tarte Stunner. I am taking Becca Pearl Flashes Gold. I absolutely love this one. This is probably my favorite highlighter though. This is Becca, it's Prismatic Amethyst, and she looks like that. I absolutely love this highlighter. I am taking Rodeo Drive by Ofra, and you can see that she is my most loved highlighter. I am taking Becca Moonstone Open Sesame. There we go. Moonstone. And I am taking Becca in Prosecco Pop. That's a really pretty highlighter too. I do have a few more highlighters that I'm taking. They're on this side, but they're at the bottom, so I'll have to get to them. And so again, beach vacation. If I'm going to do a full face of makeup, I will wear my Neutrogena foundation, but most likely I will not. Where is it? So I will wear the Yensa primer, and I will wear the, I always want to call this FabFitFun, I don't know why. First Aid Beauty, and it's a tinted moisturizer. So I will pair these two together. But if I decide to wear a full face, then I will use my Too Faced Hangover. Let's see. I am bringing two blushes, my two most used blushes, and I am taking Too Faced Peach Beach, and I am taking Tarte Partey. And then I am taking a mini setting spray. I always take a mini with me on vacation just because it fits easier. Here's another highlighter. This is Becca and Pearl. Oh, I love this highlighter too. This is a really good highlighter. It's so, so pretty. And then I am also taking the Tarte Glitter because, you know, I love glitter. I hope that's not dried out. I don't want to touch it because I don't have any wipes in here with me. I might have to toss it after vacation. I don't know. It's feeling maybe a little dried out, but it still has a little bit of bounce to it. That sucks. I really like this highlighter. But there is that. And then I will take 4 mascaras with me. I will take my Chanel mascara. I will take the Thrive mascara. I will take the Ico Lash Alert, and then also the Lash Princess by Essence. Ooh, I need to cut my fingernail. I will take Shape Tape, just in case I want to wear a full face. I will take this highlighter. This is Ofra in Space Baby. Love this highlighter. Love it, love it, love it. And then this is the last highlighter, Ofra in Pillow Talk. I love this highlighter too. Oh, love, 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 love this highlighter. And then let's see. I will take the Anastasia Brow product in the color Taupe. I think that this is a little too dark for me, but if I try to maybe have like a lighter hand with it, it might work well. But most unlikely, if this isn't dried out yet, I will use the Brow Gal because I love this brow gel just for like a natural looking brow. Let's see, if I do a full face, Too Faced Shadow Insurance. And then of course my Becca Hydra Powder. And let's see, the Brow Definer by Anastasia. And this is the one with the angled. I'm not gonna, let's see, I'll roll it up. It's brand new, but I roll it up, there we go. And then let's see, we're almost to the end here because like I said, I really don't pack that much. I will take ColourPop, this color, it's just like a nude color to go underneath the eye, just to brighten the eye a little bit. What is the color of this? It's called Honey Dude. And then, let's see, I will take NYX Glitter Primer, just in case I want to use my glitter. I do love me some glitter. And let's see, for lips, I won't take a lot for lips. Let me pull them all out here. I will take a few of my favorite reds, and then I will take a pink. So I am going to take this NARS lip pencil in Mysterious Red. This will probably be used the most. I will take the Too Faced Melted in Peony for my pink. And then I will take Mrs. Mia Wallace. It's more of like a brick dark red by Urban Decay. And then I will take F-Bomb by Urban Decay. And this is more of like a pinup red. And I will also take Knob Hill Red by Finding Ferdinand. I absolutely love this color, but it is broken. It broke like the third time I used it. I was so angry. Anyway, that is that. And then I will take a couple of eyeliners just in case. And the only reason I take a couple is because I don't use eyeliner a lot. So I don't know what is dried out and what is not dried out. So there is the my brow gel for when I do my brows. And then I will take the Ico London eyeliner in black, and that's a liquid eyeliner. And then I will also take the Stila Stay All Day liquid eyeliner. And if for some reason those two are dried out, then I will take the Lasting Drama in just a black pencil. And that's it. My skincare is not in here because we're still just a little too far off for me to put my skincare in here. But that's the makeup I am taking on vacation. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Bye.